How to enable or disable the timeline preview in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you are working on. Make sure your timeline is visible at the bottom of the screen, as this is where the preview settings can be managed. In the top left corner of the timeline panel, you will find the timeline view options icon, which resembles a film strip. Clicking this icon will open a menu with various display settings. To hide the timeline preview thumbnails, select the thumbnails view option within this menu and choose None. This action will remove the thumbnails from your timeline, providing a cleaner workspace. If you wish to display the thumbnails again, simply select the option Thumbnail. You can also select the option Film Strip. When it's enabled, you will see small thumbnails of your video clips directly on the timeline, giving you a quick visual reference of your content. It's important to note that disabling the timeline preview thumbnails can help improve performance, especially on systems with limited resources or when working with high-resolution footage. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the timeline preview in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.